Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick neck pain routine for you. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab a mat and let's get started. So we're going to start on our backs with our heads resting on the ball and your chin slightly tucked. Keep your knees bent and pelvis neutral. Tuck your chin, then push the back of your head back into the ball very gently. Inhale to release and then exhale, repeat. Tuck the chin, push the back of the skull straight down into the ball. Keep going here, exhaling as you push and inhaling to release that pressure. Think about keeping your ears going straight down towards the mat, so it ends up perpendicular to the mat. Last two here. Keep your shoulders relaxed, keep your arms relaxed. And then resting your head on the ball, place your hand on top of your forehead and gently push into your hand, about 50% effort, and hold. Just to gently activate the muscles in the front of your neck here, but keeping the contact with the ball, and again, just gently pushing into your hand 20 to 50%. Now bring the hand to the left side of the head and repeat. Gently pushing into your hand, imagine you're trying to rotate your head to the left and just maintain that pressure. Breathing evenly as you do. And then let's repeat on the other side. Bring your hand to the right side of your head and then gently pushing into your hand, again about 20 to 50% effort. Imagine rotating your head to the right but without moving. And then hands by your side and repeat pushing the head straight back into the ball. Inhaling and exhaling evenly. Keep that pressure. And then relieve the pressure on the ball and we'll come into some rotations. Gently push the head back down again, keep the chin tucked, and then rotate your neck to the right. Back to the center, and then rotate to the left. And to center, to the right, center, to the left, center. Now see if you can focus on moving your eyes before you move your head. So gazing to the left, then rotate the head to the left, gaze to the right, come back to center, gaze to the right again, and rotate your head to the right. So really gently rotating the neck from side to side with an eye movement in the direction that you're rotating your neck to. Last one here, right, then left, and then coming back to center. You can remove the ball now, just place it to the side and go ahead and come onto your stomach. Prop yourself up onto your forearms with your hands interlaced. Drop the head and then tuck the chin, start to lift the head up and then gaze forward. Drop the head back down and then tuck the chin, sliding it up your breastbone and gaze forward. Dropping the head, repeat. Imagine you're trying to slide a ball up your neck, then you lift the chin slightly to let go of the ball and then you drop the head back down. Sort of like a ripple or wave movement on your neck and upper back. Last two here, lifting the head and then dropping the head. Last one. Then keep the neck lifted with the neck long, chin tucked. Separate your hands so the palms are flat into the mat and in line with your elbows. Gaze to look at your right index finger, then your left. Then rotate to look at your right middle finger, then the left. Right ring finger, left ring finger, right pinky finger, left pinky finger. And then slowly start to make your way back. Going back to the ring fingers, then the middle fingers, index fingers, and thumbs, just in your own time here. Gently rotating the neck, again with those eye movements as you go. Keep your breathing even and comfortable. Keep your chin slightly tucked, shoulders down. And then from here, relax the chest down and then push yourself up into a kneeling position. We're going to gently activate the neck muscles. Reach your shoulders up towards your ears and then exhale, let them go. Inhale, reach your shoulders up towards your ears and exhale, let them go. Inhale up and exhale, release. Inhale, lift, squeeze. Exhale, release. Keep your spine tall, keep lengthening through the crown of your head and keep your gaze forward. Last few here, lifting, lowering, And last two. Last one, lift, lower, and then completely relax the shoulders. Drop your left ear to your left shoulder, and then to the other side, right ear to right shoulder. And then back over to the left. Just really gently moving the head from one side and then the other. And try not to force the ear down to the shoulder, just let gravity take the head to the side as much as feels comfortable. Just a couple more here. Again, not forcing the movement. Breath should be even. And we'll finish with some extensions here. Bring your hands behind your head at the base of your neck, fingers interlaced, and just keep your fingers there, elbows together. Inhale as you reach your elbows up towards the ceiling, trying to extend your upper back, and then coming back down. Inhale, extend, elbows to ceiling, and then exhale, lower. Keep going here, trying to get the movement from your upper back, gazing up, neck supported here by your hands. Last one, reaching up and down. Then relax your arms, fold over your thighs, reach your arms forward. Head to the mat and gently rock the head side to side to finish with a child's pose here. Really relaxing the body, let the neck go, let the head go, and allow the floor and the mat to take the weight of your head for you. Keep breathing here. Stay in this position as long as you feel you need to, and when you're ready, you can roll back up to kneeling. And you're all done. Thank you so much. I hope this helped your neck pain. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you'd like more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.